Assalamu alaikum, 7th class. Hope you are all fine. Subject Computer Science. Unit number 3, More on Word.
Students, in the previous lecture we have studied about print layout view and full screen reading view.
Today we are going to start our new topic, Web Layout View. This view is used to create view and edit pages as they will appear online when opened in a browser. By choosing Save As in the background view, a user can save pages in several web-compatible formats. After clicking File tab, Backstage View window will appear. Students, Web Layout View is designed to show you what your document would like if you intend to publish it as a web page. It also serves to display a compact version of your document without margins and page breaks, so you can view one more content on the screen at one time. As you can see in the diagram, it's Web Layout View. Now open page number 54, Outline View. This view is used to create view and edit outlines. Students, Outline View is another type of view we can use in MS Word. It shows us just the text in the presentation, so we can concentrate on ideas and words rather than color, graphics, background, etc. Draft View. Draft View displays a document as a continuous text scroll, page breaks, and it's denoted by dashed lines. Students, Draft View allows you to generally see how your text will appear on a paper. This means you see what each line will look like, how the text appears, and where the lines will break. You can also see where each page will break. Now we will see it practically.
Students, you can see Microsoft Word window. As we have studied about Web Layout View, it's on View tab. Here you can see many views like Read Mode, Print Layout, Web Layout, Outline and Draft. As I wrote some paragraphs into my Microsoft Word, now I want to view its web layout, so I am going to click on the Web Layout View. You can see the page setting has been changed. It's the Web Layout View and it is used to create view and edit pages as they will appear online when opened in a browser. Students, next option is Outline View. Now I am going to press the Outline View. You can see this view is used to create view and edit outlines. Now if you want to close the Outline View, click on the Close Outline View. Now come again to the View tab. Last view is Draft View. I am going to press it. Students, this view displays a document as a continuous text scroll, page breaks, and denoted by dashed lines.
Now students, come to the exercise. Today we are going to cover exercise 8, question number 5. What does Draft View display? Students, its answer is on page number 54, Draft View. Draft View displays a document as a continuous text scroll, page breaks, and denoted by dashed lines. Now the subjective question. Exercise F, question number 1. Describe the different views of a document. Its answer is starting from the page number 50. Different views of a document. Word 2010 offers the following 5 views to display a document: Print Layout View, Full Screen Reading View, Web Layout View, Outline View, and Draft View. And its answer is ending on page number 54, Draft View. Draft view displays a document as a continuous text scroll, page breaks and denoted by dashed lines. You have to learn these two questions. Take care of yourself class. Allah Hafiz.